How to add link to your Snapchat story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a link to your Snapchat story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to do is open up your Snapchat. After you open up a Snapchat, simply take a picture which you want to upload to your story. After you do that, right on the left right hand side, you will see these many options from which you will need to choose on this one right here. Tap on it and now you can type in a URL. I'll just paste the link that I've just copied. So paste this and yeah, now what you'll need to do is hit go. I'll just hit go and it should take me to that link that I copied. Now okay, so it's not working. Let me type that in again. So paste it again, tap on go, and there we go. Now attach to snap. After you tap on attach to snap, it will be on this story right now. Now add it to your story and yeah, you're basically good to go now. If you just go ahead and check your story out, you have that link attached to your story. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye, take care.